What up, YouTube? Top of the morning to you. Today is October the 2nd. I know I ain't put out some no videos in a while. Hey, this is part 3 to I guess I'm gonna call it Weedy Yard. I'm finishing it up. I know I'm gonna put in the top description at the top, you know, above this video, the link to part 1 and part 2 of the transformation of this Weedy Yard. I'm going today to go pick up sod to finish my client's backyard. She, as I told you in the first video, her yard was burned from the front to the back. So I seeded the front last year, and I cut it all this year and babied the front, filled in some holes and stuff. So now I'm putting sod in the back. I know you like, that's kind of backwards, but hey, she's been patient with me, so I want to go ahead and let her see some grass in the back. So I'm going to my favorite siding company here in Illinois, in the Chicagoland area, Century Sod, which you probably seen on my Instagram some of the pictures I took of me going to pick up sod about 2 or 3 months ago. My next door neighbor wanted to reside his whole backyard, so I helped him prep it, you know, and he pretty much installed the side. You know, I assisted him, but you know, he paid for all the materials. He paid me for the use of my tools, but I actually tilled up the soil, sprayed the soil, prepped it. He pretty much paid me for the prep, and his backyard came out beautiful. So now I'm about to implement the same thing to my client, because pretty much my next door neighbor let me use his backyard as a test plot. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to go pick up my help, which is my brother-in-law. He's helping me. My normal worker, Jared, which this is my brother-in-law calling me now. Let me pause for the calls. Hey, I'm back. We done picked up the side. We're on location to drop the side. Let me show y'all something. We had a little incident. Hey, make sure you strap your side down good. I ain't know it was gonna do that. My brother-in-law told me it was, so I gotta re-prep this area because I see some weeds are starting to grow, but hey, we gonna be all good. All right, holla back.
Hold it now. What you gonna play? But whatever I play. Hold it now. Woo! This is a demo track. Hold it now. What you gonna play? But whatever I play. Hold it now. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. What you gonna play? Hey, well, whatever. Work.
yeah, this is a continuation. I'm halfway through. I'm tired so far, and I probably ain't did that much, but I'm gonna show you. My GoPro done died on me. You see my brother-in-law in the back. He working hard, so I'm gonna show you what we got down so far. So yeah, I know y'all like, well, you doing straight across? Yeah, cause I didn't want to cut too much of the side, but yeah, you'll see in the early part of the video, you see I did spray some water on the dirt to moisten it up some, and I did use, you should see in the video too, with my GoPro, I used that Scott Turf Builder triple action. It's a starter fert and it kills any weeds that might try to come up. But yeah, I gotta finish all the way to the back of that gate. I got a little area on the side of the garage, and my brother-in-law, he's prepping the other area in the back. I don't think I got enough side to finish it all, but we probably throw down seeds and go from there. But yeah, this is what we got so far, y'all. Yes, this is a lot of work. But Newson Lawn Care, this is what we out here to do. Make your lawn look good and bring new life to your lawn. All right. So, conclusion to laying side for today. I got all the side down. I filled or put down 90. I got 90% of the areas covered with the side. It was two areas that I didn't get a chance to fill because I didn't have enough side, but my trailer could only fit 600 square feet of side. The owner needed 1,000 square feet of side. So what I'm gonna do with the last 400 square feet, I'm gonna put seed down. I just am. As you can see, I don't know if you can hear in the background, it's raining. I just dropped my trailer, or I'm dropping my trailer where I store it at in the garage. And I'm gonna try to take pictures and add it to this video of what all is down. But for the next 3 days, it's supposed to rain. And that's how I timed it, because I knew today it was supposed to rain. It started raining at 5 o'clock, but it actually started raining at 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I was like, I had the last 7 rows of sod to put down, and me and my brother-in-law hurried up and put it down. We got it down. Got a little wet, but I'm done with that part. And like he agreed with me, just throw some seed down and pray. It's gonna take, I know it is, and then go from there. But pretty much 90% of her yard is done. So I'm gonna definitely take pictures and show y'all the progress. I do have to aerate the front. You know, we still got some weeds that popped up from when I when I seeded. So I gotta fill that in. So Newson Lawn Care at you again. Big side job, big overseeding job. It was a lot. I'm tired. Siding is not easy. And just remember, plan. All right, I'll holler back. Here we go. This is 1 week after rain, me finishing. You can see, I put grass seed down. I gotta let my customer know her dog's been back here digging, and she's gotta make him stop digging because he's gonna mess up the new planted sod. But yeah, and I'm about to, see, I got a big bale of peat moss. I'm about to throw over the seed, and I put that Scotch triple action down again. This is 1 week after rain and everything. Alrighty. Peat moss, fertilizer, and seed, Kentucky Blue. Now I'm about to water. We got rain coming in, so I ain't gotta water. As you see, we got rain coming in today, so I don't have to water too much. All right, talk to y'all.